The one thing that will get you the highest cleaning prices in town. Well, there's actually two things, but the first thing is a bit of a given. The first thing is that you need to be professional. You need to come in with uniform shirts, with lettered vehicles that look clean, no rust. You need to have clean equipment. You need to have a clean chemical caddy. Don't come in with a dirty, dusty vacuum if you're going to be in the highest end homes and commercial facilities in your area. That won't work. That won't fly. But what you do need to have after you have all of that professionalism down pat is you need to have a unique selling proposition showing your prospects, showing your clients even, that you do something way better than the competition does. And it might be more than one thing, but you have a unique selling position that not either anybody in town does or has, or they don't do it as well as you do, or they don't promote it nearly as much as you do. Now, this could be several different things. It could be pet stain removal. Maybe you're really good at doing pet stain removal, or maybe you're just a pet-friendly company and you love pets and you bring in treats and you know how to take care of the dog pee-pee. Maybe it's that you do grout recoloring really, really well. Maybe it's that you're really good at grout repair. Maybe it's that you have the best guarantees in the city. Maybe nobody else guarantees that if you clean their carpet or their tile, that it will stay clean for 60 days or 90 days or whatever the case may be. Maybe it's that you're really good at commercial and you can service commercial better than anybody else in town. I don't know the answer to that. Sometimes guys and gals will message me and talk to me and say, John, what should my unique selling proposition be? I have no idea. Until we really, really get to know you and your company, I couldn't begin to really tell you. I could recommend pet stain removal, but maybe you don't like cats, right? I'm not a huge fan of cats. Maybe you hate cats. I don't know. Maybe you're not very good at pet stain removal. You need to figure out what's best for you and your cleaning company. So how do you do that? And the answer to this should keep you awake at night. You should be constantly thinking about, how am I different than other cleaning companies? How am I different than other cleaning companies? And so what I recommend that you do is write down 10 to 20 different ways currently that you can think of that you're different than other cleaning companies. Out of that 10 to 20, hone that down into maybe 2 or 3. And now you have a top 2 or 3. At that point, you really need to spend a few more days and think about which of those top 2 or 3 is the unique selling proposition that you want to concentrate on either first or next to show the people in your community that you're different. Once you start doing that, I promise you, you're going to start being able to get a lot more money for that particular service than anybody else in town, because you're the unique company that does that thing and specializes in that thing that they want. So I highly recommend that you do that exercise. Write down to 10 to 20 ways that you're different than other cleaning companies. Hone it down to 2 or 3. Pick one. Go after that one. I want to know, like, what do you specialize in? What are you good at in your company? What do people in your area know you as? Because the thing is, too, once you develop that unique selling proposition, it's called a USP. Once you do that, you should also advertise that. People should start to know you based on the pet-friendly company, based on the grout recoloring grout specialists. What do you do that's different? Let me know below this video. I'd like to know what your unique selling proposition is, and highly recommend that you don't have one, get one today. Start working on that. Let it keep you up at night. This is one of the most super important parts of any marketing plan.